Picture this. Imagine your friends or your family invite you to spend the day with them at the pool or the beach, but the problem is you actually don't know how to swim. So you sit there awkwardly or you just outright decline. Unfortunately, this is the case for about 60% of the population that doesn't know how to swim. But what if I told you it doesn't need to be like this? So this is a complete beginner's guide to learning how to swim. So this is for you if you've never seen what the bottom of the pool floor looks like, or you've never submerged your face underwater and choked on a bit. So we're going to take you from ground zero, which is literally getting inside the pool and taking your first steps there, to actually swimming your first few strokes. It's going to be a great journey. Stick along. The very first step is literally walking in the pool. So drive to your nearest pool, drop off your equipment, and head to the pool edge. Make sure you go to a depth where you can comfortably stand. So sit down on the edge and let your feet and legs dangle in the water before hopping in. And here, literally, all you need to do is walk up and down and get used to the feel of your body moving against the water. Do this until your mind and body feel comfortable. A couple laps up and down should be enough. So now we're going to be blowing bubbles and getting used to having our mouth be submerged underwater. So go to the pool edge and hold it with both hands. And from here, look forwards and lower your head until your mouth is underwater, and then simply blow out. Blow out of your mouth. Bubbles should appear at the surface. You're going to repeat this for about 5 seconds, then come up for a breath. Do this until you're comfortable blowing your bubbles. We're now going to look towards putting our nose in the water. So return to the same spot at the pool edge and hold onto it with both hands. From there, turn your head down so you're looking at the bottom of the pool and slowly lower your head down until your nose is in the water. While you're in this position, you're going to be blowing bubbles out of your mouth exactly how you were doing previously. You're going to hold this for about 5 seconds before coming up for a breath. So now that we've practiced blowing bubbles submerged and dipping our nose into the water, we're now going to dip our whole face into the water. Return to that same spot at the pool edge and look down at the bottom of the pool. Gently lower your nose until it's in the water while blowing bubbles, and from there, go even further until your whole head is submerged. Hold this for about 5 seconds, then come up for a breath. Repeat this for as many times as possible. To end off the episode, we're going to practice submerging your face underwater, but only by holding the pool edge with one hand. The other hand is going to be by your side. Same as before, look down at the pool floor and gently lower your nose in, and then from there, lower the rest of your head until it's completely submerged. Be sure to blow bubbles the entire time. When you want to take a breath, breathe to the side with your ear resting on the arm that is holding the wall. So if you're holding the wall with your left arm, breathe to the right hand side. You're going to practice this on both sides until you're comfortable. You might find it easier by exhaling water out of your nose before coming up to breathe, as you're going to be turning to the side this time, and this is going to prevent water getting caught up in the nose.